Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your Revolut account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you care about how your Revolut account works or looks. How do you actually go ahead and change the appearance of it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Revolut account. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says appearance. You can actually change the theme and the interface of your Revolut account. So if you click on theme and then click on theme again, you can see that there's different themes that you can apply. You can also change the mode. So there's light mode and dark mode, but that's essentially how you go ahead and change the theme of your Revolut account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the look of your Revolut account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.